Choosing the right diaper pail may seem like a small decision, but it can make a big difference in your daily routine. Diaper Genie and Ubbi are two of the most popular options on the market. While both are designed to lock in unpleasant smells, they work in very different ways. The Diaper Genie is primarily made of durable plastic, which makes it lightweight and easy to move around the nursery. However, plastic tends to absorb odors over time, requiring more frequent cleaning. The Ubbi Diaper Pail is made of powder-coated steel. This material does not absorb smells and gives it a sleek, modern appearance. The steel construction adds to its durability and makes it more resistant to lingering odors, giving the Ubbi an edge in long-term freshness. The Ubbi Diaper Pail stands out for its bag flexibility. It can use any standard kitchen trash bag or reusable cloth liner. This makes it more budget-friendly in the long run, saving parents money over time. The Diaper Genie requires special proprietary refill bags, which can add to long-term costs. These refills are convenient, but they are an ongoing expense. Diaper Genie can hold a large number of diapers, especially newborn-sized ones, meaning you may not need to empty it as often. Ubbi also has good capacity, but because diapers are not tightly packed like in Diaper Genie, it may need to be emptied a bit more frequently. Ubbi includes a child-proof lock, which is a big advantage once your baby becomes a curious toddler. This prevents little hands from opening the pail. Most Diaper Genie models do not include a built-in child lock, so additional safety measures may be needed if the pail is within a child reach. Diaper Genie is known for its one-handed operation, making it convenient when you are holding a baby. Simply drop the diaper in and pull the handle. Ubbi requires you to slide the lid open, which usually takes 2 hands. This design prioritizes durability and secure odor containment, even if it sacrifices a bit of speed during busy diaper changes. The Diaper Genie focuses mainly on function, with a simple, utilitarian design that blends into most nurseries without drawing attention. Its look is practical and understated, appealing to parents who prioritize functionality over visual flair. Ubbi, however, offers a wide range of colors and finishes, allowing parents to match the pail with their nursery decor. This makes it a reliable choice for those who value practicality and a clutter-free nursery environment. Overall, Ubbi stands out as the better choice for parents who value long-term odor control, durability, and style in one reliable solution.